Renogy Solar Power Bank 15000 mAh Charger Portable Outdoor Water Resistant Dual USB Solar Panel Battery Backup with LED Light for iPhone, iPad, GoPro Camera. Specification: Solar Panel Power, 2W Solar Panel Input, 5V/400 mAh Battery, 15,000 mAh Li-polymer Battery Input, 5V2A Output, 5V/1A 5V/2A Dimension, 633107 in weight, 0.64 pound. Large capacity. A 15,000 mAh lithium battery is packed into the solar charger to restore your phone or tablets to full power. Can charge an iPhone up to 5 times, a Samsung phone up to 4.5 times, and an iPad up to 2 times. Dual USB ports, 1A/2A, dual port design with smart identification technology contributes to optimized charging experience. Juice up your iPad/tablets via the 2A port and smartphones or Bluetooth device via the 1A port simultaneously. Portable design. This compact solar battery charger measures 6.3 x 3.1 x 0.7 inch and only weighs 9 oz, making it a great cell phone accessory in your bag for daily commute or long trips. Outdoor essential. Water resistant, dust proof, and shock resistant. The compact solar battery charger comes with a highly efficient solar panel and LED light to provide emergency power source and lighting. What you get: 1x solar charger, 1x USB cable, 1x carabiner, and 1x user manual. RenogyGear offers 12 months warranty, 24H online after-sales service and friendly replace policy. Renogy Solar Power Bank 15000 mAh Charger Portable Outdoor Water Resistant Dual USB Solar Panel Battery Backup with LED Light for iPhone, iPad, GoPro Camera. For more info and special discounts, please click the link below.